Good afternoon everyone. As we all know, MG4 electric car reading lights are coming with yellow color. So replacing them with white LEDs is really easy. And now I am going to show you how to do it. And I am going to put the exact link that I get my LED lights. Let's begin. To remove the cover, just get a card like I am using. This is a phone holder, a plastic phone holder. You need to be sure that you are using a plastic tool, because if you use something like screwdriver, you can damage your plastic around the lights. A plastic card, or you can use a credit card. After you place the card, just push it forward and the cover is going to pop out, so you can easily remove it. But on the sides, left and right side of the cover, they are actually too tight and you need to push the card inside to get there. When you are doing that, be careful to not to damage the cover. Also, it's a plastic piece and you need to be careful with plastic pieces, especially with these thin plastics. So after you pop out the cover, this is how you place the new LEDs. The LED lights type is called T10. It doesn't matter which brand you are buying. I am using Photon, but as long as the type is T10, you can use any brand. And to remove the original yellow lights, you need to pull a little bit harder because they are actually tight. And after you pull them out, we are going to replace the new ones. And while replacing them, it shouldn't be an issue to use up or down side of the new LEDs, but in this case there is a particular side. So first I tried one side, but it didn't work. Then I tried the other side, and while I am trying it, I push it a little bit harder and the plug went inside. But I was lucky because it was too tight. When I pull it back, it just sits its place again. So when you are replacing the new ones, placing the new ones, be careful. Do not push too hard, then, because the plug can go inside. And after finishing the install, you need to put the cover inside. And trust me, placing back the cover is harder than popping it out. You need to make some work, as you can see in the video. But after all, this is how we replace our LEDs. I hope you find this video helpful. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.